Auto-darkening welding helmets have a lens that automatically changes from a light to dark when the welding arc starts. This is called the auto-darkening filter, or ADF. It is important to test the lens to ensure that the auto-darkening function is working properly before you strike an arc. There are a few simple ways to do this. You can hold it up to a bright source such as a light bulb, you can give a quick glance at the sun, or you can use a torch striker to see if the spark darkens the lens. If the lens doesn't darken, check the battery. If the battery is charged and still no auto-darkening occurs, do not use the helmet. If the auto-darkening feature is working, you are ready to weld, but make sure you are following all safety protocols, including wearing a safety helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel. For more information, view the proper personal protection equipment video produced by Lincoln Electric Retail. For more information about your welding helmet, visit the Lincoln Electric Retail website, www.lincolnelectricretail.com.